Is Cash App safe to use? Cash App, developed by Block Inc., is a popular mobile payment service that allows users to send, receive, and invest money. But is it safe? The short answer, yes, if used responsibly. Cash App uses encryption to protect your data and offers features like two-factor authentication to secure accounts. However, no platform is entirely immune to risks. Scammers often target users through fake support numbers or phishing emails. To stay safe, avoid sharing your sign-in code with anyone and only interact with verified contacts. Another concern is its limited fraud protection compared to credit cards. If you're scammed, recovering funds can be difficult. Always double-check recipient details before sending money. Additionally, while Cash App's interface is user-friendly, beginners should take time to understand its fees and privacy settings. By staying cautious and informed, Cash App can be a convenient tool for managing payments safely. Remember, vigilance is key when handling finances online. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.